Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on RedNote app. Really easy and simple, guys. First things first, of course, you want to go ahead and open up the RedNote app. Now, right here at the bottom right, you will see the profile icon right here where it says me. Just go ahead and tap on that. Now, what you want to do, guys, you see the settings cog right here at the right next to profile. Click on that option right there. Now you'll see a bunch of different settings. What you need to do here is click on a general settings, okay? Click on general settings and you'll see a bunch of different options. And the fourth option is where we need to click on. So click on dark mode right here. And what you want to do, guys, is just come here and toggle on a dark mode. Just come and toggle this on. As you can see, I have now changed to dark mode. And if you ever want to switch this off, just come back here and toggle this one off. And then you can go ahead and use your device settings. Really, it's that easy and simple, guys.